Hey everybody, we're here today making some cheesecake chocolate chunk spread to go on our delicious Bay's English muffin. So we're trying a dessert recipe to make this a little bit different because you don't need to just have English muffins for breakfast. Super easy recipe. It's only a few small ingredients. All you need is a heavy duty mixer. You can also use a portable mixer too if you have that. And we're gonna get started. So the first thing that we need to do is put in 1 8-ounce spread of cream cheese. So 1 brick that is softened. And we're gonna put that right into the mixer. And then we're going to take 1/3 of a cup of just powdered sugar, because everything is better with sugar. And we're gonna pour that in and let the mixer do its work. While that is mixing away, you can try to use different add-ins. We're going to be using chocolate chips in milk chocolate. You can use semi-sweet if you want it, or dark chocolate depending on whatever is your preference. And we're going to also use some chopped pecans, but you can also substitute out almonds or walnuts or whatever else you like for your nut choice for your add-in. It's almost like a cheesecake or like a cannoli spread. And we're going to put those on the toasted Bay's English muffin. You can top it with cinnamon or sliced strawberries or fruit if you have it. So we're going to just check this out and see how it's going. Perfect. We will now pour in our milk chocolate chips and our chopped pecans. We're also going to put in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I like to use the cap of the vanilla extract as my measuring. It's just about a teaspoon in this little cap that's here. Okay, we're going to put the mixer on for another few minutes. So combine that all together. Try to scrape down the sides as you are mixing together your cream cheese so that this way everything gets incorporated together. That's good. All right. So of course I have to try it.